What's going on, everyone? Daryl Eklund, Motocross Action Magazine. We're at Exacta Station for the 2015 CRF 450 introduction. This is the last 450 on our list to test this year. One of the big changes made for the 15 model is the same as the 250F, is the engine mode select button. There's 3 different ignition mappings that you can switch from. Mode 1, standard. Mode 2, it's a smooth transition for optimum traction like hard pack conditions. And then Mode 3, is aggressive. Again, for 2015, there's a KYB pneumatic spring fork. It's a pretty cool setup, as this year the left fork has high speed and low speed compression, and then the right fork has high and low speed rebound. So there's 4 adjustments all on the top. As far as the power plant's concerned, the only thing they really mess with is the head, but the biggest thing they mess with is the pipe. It still has the twin pipe in the back, but the front exhaust now looks like the 250F. It doesn't wrap all the way around the frame tube as it did last year. They upgraded the brakes to a 260 millimeter front brake rotor. They upgraded their tire selection to the Dunlop MX52 tires, front and rear. Make sure to check out a full test and review of the 2015 CRF 450 in Motocross Action Magazine, and check out our website, motocrossactionmag.com, for updates and latest tests on all the 2015 models.